Top 10, your weekly roundup of the hottest trends in the automotive industry. From fresh facelifts, latest EV innovations, breakthrough technologies, to everything that keeps the wheel turning. Let's get through the top 10 buzzing highlights of this week. Mahindra & Mahindra has announced the pricing of the 4x4 variant of the Thar ROXX. Starting at a price tag of Rs 18,79,000, this off-road beast is powered by 2.2-litre diesel engine that produces up to 1 to 8.6 kW of power and 370 Newton meters of torque. The Thar ROXX is available in both manual and automatic transmissions. Next up, Tata Motors has expanded its Nexon lineup with two exciting additions, the Nexon iCNG and the all-new Nexon EV. This makes the Nexon the only SUV in India that comes in petrol, diesel, CNG and electric variants. The Nexon's latest additions are all set to elevate your driving experience. TVS Motor has added a festive twist to the TVS Ronin with a new Midnight Blue edition, complemented by fluorescent green graphics. And there's more. The base variant now starts at Rs 1,35,000, making it an irresistible package for design and tech lovers alike. Yamaha is getting into the festive spirit with special cashback and low down payment on its popular FZ series and 125cc Fi hybrid scooters. If you have been eyeing on a Yamaha, now's the perfect time to make it yours. With the festive season upon us, Java YSD Motorcycles has introduced a range of offers, starting with discount of up to Rs 22,500 during the Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale. Additional bank discounts and cashback offers sweetens the deal. Hero MotoCorp is gearing up to launch a special limited edition of its flagship motorcycle called Maverick Thunder Wheels. This unique version is the result of an exciting collaboration with popular beverage brand Thums Up. As a part of promotion, Thums Up has introduced special promo pack that features a QR code on the label. By scanning the code, buyers can enter a contest for a chance to win the limited edition bike. But act fast. This opportunity is only available through these special packs until November 15. Hyundai is expanding its global footprint with the Hyundai Exter now being exported to South Africa. Not to forget, the Exter has already crossed the 1 lakh sales milestone in India. This festive season, MG has introduced special editions of its popular SUVs, the MG Hector Snowstorm and Aster Blackstorm. Both comes with exciting upgrades and stylish new variants. But remember, these are limited editions, so grab them while you can. Olo Motors has taken a big leap in the commercial EV segment with the launch of Stormy. Available in two models, Long Range 200 for intercity use and T1250 for intracity. These EVs comes with ADAS tech and enhanced safety and efficiency, setting a new benchmark in the electric commercial vehicle space. And finally, Ola Electric is accelerating EV adoption with its network partner program. With more than 600 partners onboarded already, this program aims to bring EVs closer to customers, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, assuring that the EV revolution reaches every corner of the country. And that's a wrap for this edition of Wheels Top 10. I'll see you again next week with more such updates. Until then, drive safe.